welcome back to the Hoppy Hippies Homebrew channel. Right, something different today that I've never done before, so a lot of people's going to balk and unsubscribe when they hear what I've done to a beer. Maybe not, you probably won't. You'll probably go and try it, as I hope you do, because that's the point of this channel. Go and try it for yourself. Right, so what I did, jarred the bitter. I've got plenty of kits to make, mainly just a kit beer maker, as I'll keep saying as well. I've got the mash tun and other stuff down the road, but I do all that at my work, so I'm not having a busman's holiday at the house. So, jarred the bitter. I know how it tastes intimately. I've made it for years. It's a very nice beer. Very nice beer when you add 50 grams of Cascade and a kilogram of DME when you're at the point of brewing it. But I thought, let's try something different here. And you know how I make the turbo ciders, etc. and wine. I put my fruit tea bags in there first. Well, I've done it with the beer. The boxes had it in my hand a second ago. Here we are here. So what I did was, before I put the sugar or anything in, or the kit, I done the usual, put a wee bit of hot water in the bottom of it and put 20 tea bags in it. Red berries infusion. Right, just to maybe hopefully get a hint of fruit. Wasn't going for overly fruity. I still want a beer taste, but just that wee 10%, 5% hint of a different taste in there. So we'll soon see if that's right. So I put the 20 tea bags in there for 40 pints. So there's like half a tea bag worth in every pint. So I'm expecting to have some flavour. So let's pour it out here and see what we've got. How are we doing for carbonation? That looks okay. That looks pretty good. So I know how jarred the bitter tastes with nothing in it and with hops in it and all the rest of it. It's a great beer, it really is. It's one of my favourites. It's capped beautifully as well. It's only been bottled for 2 weeks as well. And there we go, here comes the yeast. So look at that. Oh! Look at that, man. Can you see that if I hold it up to the light? Is that coming out of the view? Carbonationing. Superb. Bloody habit with this pinky out. Get Port Glasgow and all the Ritz. Right. Let's see if I'm expecting to smell a bit of... There is a reddish tinge in there. Definitely is a reddish tinge. Not really apparent in the scent. So the one thing for it in there. Let's taste it, see if it's in there. It's in there. It's definitely in there. I can see I use all grain brewers fainting at the back here. Pressing next video. Unsubscribe. Tell you what, it tastes alright. I think I should have that caption and it tastes alright. I should have that caption every video, so I should. Yeah, I got a wee hint of it now, I smell it. Very light. Because I'm used to making my beer with malt extract as well as the kit and a wee dod of hops in there, you can taste it, because I know what Geordie Bitter tastes like. It tastes very kind of bodiless, watery type thing. It's not got the 50 grams of Cascade hops in your face, but maybe a couple of sips here in the palate might. Well carved anyway. Level teaspoonful per bottle. And you know what? It's pleasant. It's very pleasant. It's definitely a summer beer. Definitely feel good in the summer, sitting in the garden with Barbie, big cigar, berry beer. Oh, Jesus. Not a great scent of it, I must say. There's 5% of the whole aroma is maybe, it's pretty weak scent. But it's definitely in the taste. It's in there. And it's nice. It's just needing something extra in there to, maybe it's needing a wee like 20 grams of hops or something, just a hint of hops in there to bring that kind of blandness, I would probably describe it as. Just to bring the beer back out in it a bit and have, obviously still keep the hint of the berry flavour. It is a bit thin. Probably because you're looking at it and you're expecting a beery taste. It's not. Tell you what, but it is very pleasant. You might get used to it. You've seen the last video we done with the zombie. Didn't smell or taste, but by the time my palate got acclimatised to it, I was starting to warm to it big style. It's nice, so I think this will be the same. I might try it again. I'll definitely try it again, but I might put a wee tad of hops in it there. Carved, well carved. Don't know if you can see the bubbles coming on the. Well carved. Yet another one I think you should try. Yep, there's a nice flavour of fruit in there. I thought of this a couple of years ago. I was down at my local Weatherspoons and I had a plum porter. And it was the first kind of beer infused with a fruit that I tried, and I thought, that tastes really nice. It worked with the porter, you know, with the dark. I've always wondered if it would work with a bitter. And I haven't, in the past I've been known to put a a wee sweetener tablet in every bottle as well. I haven't done that, and probably because I'm used to that as well, but I'm getting more and more berry flavour through as I'm getting used to it. It's nice. I think you should try it. Just a normal beer kit, Geordie bitter. I've got real ales in there. I went to Wilco last weekend and I bought a stout, a chocolate stout kit. Never seen that before, so I'm going to make that shortly. Going back to the plum porter, I've actually made a plum stout as well. Went to Wilco and got the velvet stout, was it called? Can't remember. It's not a shop I've really been to buy my homebrew supplies, but it certainly seemed to have quite a lot in there. Not in ingredients or anything like that, but kits was plenty. So I bought the stout, and I got a 5 litre of the classical plum syrup, and I put, I think it was 400 litres in that. 400 millilitres, I'm sure. Got the right, that's that in another video. But the smell of that was absolutely delicious before it fermented, so it's fermenting 3 days now, so it's slowing down. That should be getting kegged or bottled next week at some point, so I'll do a video on that. But there we go, folks. Red Berries Infusion. Vibrant and fruity. That's me, not the tea bags. Anyway, go for it. Definite hint of fruit in there. Let's smell it now, I'm used to it. There is a distinct fruity aroma. And as I wanted it, you can still, there's aroma of beer in there as well. It's not overly fruity, which is good. I wanted that, I didn't want it, or I'd just make a turbo cider. Still a beer taste, and there is a distinct fruity note there as well, so all good. All good, folks. So thanks very much for watching again. Don't forget, I'll put a link down the stair here as well. The Hoppy Hippie Homebrew Facebook group. More activity on there than there is on the YouTube, although the videos from YouTube end up on there anyway, but we've got a classical 10% discount for all your fruit syrups on there, so only on the Facebook page. MD can watch the YouTube channel from anywhere and go and claim it, so you must be a member of the Facebook group. Hoppy Hippie Homebrew, check it out, join up, come along and we'll be glad to see you. Till the next video, that'll be the stout one with the plum stout. Smells delicious, hopefully it tastes that as well. Catch you later, have a great weekend, I'll get you soon.